How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can sculpt your objects in Meshmixer. So before you do this, you just want to enable the objects browser. It's going to be this one. And from here, you want to select the model that you want to sculpt. And then of course, let's click on the sculpt button. From here, you have different brushes that you could use. Now let's start with the draw function. Before you start, you can edit out the size of your brush, the depth and strength. So for now, it's as easy as clicking on your objects right here. And basically from there, you will be able to sculpt your objects the way you want to. So for the draw icon, you will be able to increase the depth of your object, which will then look something like this. And now for the other one, which is going to be something like the bubble smooth, it will basically smooth out our object, as you can see right here. Now, another useful tool is going to be something like pinch. So if you have a really detailed object, you could do something like this effect right here, where you could pinch the objects to make this kind of similar effect. So let's go ahead and do the same thing for this one. And of course, you could just keep trying this out right here. There's going to be a lot of tools that you could use in order to make your objects a lot better. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.